Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crocheter's Creed, and today we are going to be learning how to do the double crochet stitch. Now you've learned how to do your slip knot, you've learned how to do your magic circle, the chain, the single crochet, and now we're on to double crochet. So I've already done my chain, so take a minute and pause the video so you can make your chain. Now after you've made your chain, what you're going to do is the stitch, the first stitch, or the next stitch from the hook, you're going to yarn over, you're going to go into that stitch, yarn over again, pull through the top loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Oh, come on. 2 loops. Oh, no. Sorry. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 again. Now let's try that again. The second stitch. We're going into this one now. You're going to yarn over, go through the stitch. You got 3 loops, 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over again, pull through 1. Okay? Now you have 3 again, 1, 2, 3. You're going to yarn over again, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2. That's your double crochet. One more time. You're going to yarn over, go through, go into the next stitch, yarn over. Now you got 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again, pull through the top loop. Now you have 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over again, pull through 2, the 2 loops. Now you have 2, last 2. Yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. Now that is your double crochet. And I'm going to double crochet across the entire chain so you can see what it looks like in its entirety. This is how it's going to look once you are done. And if you want to keep practicing, at the end of a double crochet, at the end of every row of a double crochet, you're going to chain 2, turn, and to line it up for if you just want to keep doing this to practice and keep adding on rows to this, you would yarn over, and now you see the stitches, a stitch here, stitch there, stitch there, stitch there. You don't go into these stitches, you go in the ones, tiny ones here, above the top, not the middle. Don't mistake these for stitches, which they can be, but that's for a later tutorial. So you go in, yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull up 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and you're going in these are the stitches up here. So go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. The next stitch is, let me see, yeah, next stitch is here, yarn over, go in, 3, yarn over, still 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is basically your double crochet. So I will see you later on with a tutorial on half double crochet, and I thank you for visiting my channel, and I will see you soon.